Top 5 Best Budget Camcorders in 2020. Number 5. Canon VIXIA HF G20. His Full HD camcorder is packed with features that are perfect for filmmakers. Capable of shooting videos at 1920 by 1080 resolution at 60 fps, the HF G20 also comes with a Canon 10x HD lens, complete with an 8-plate iris, for better and professional-looking stills and footages. The Canon HD-CMOS Pro image sensor offers a wide dynamic range that allows for shooting in low-lighting environments. Capturing 12 hours of HD video is also possible with its built-in 32GB memory capacity. Aside from professional shooting functions, other features of this reliable handycam are a 0.24-inch color viewfinder, 3.5 inches touchscreen LCD and a 58mm filter. Coming in number 4. Sony HDR-PJ275. This Full HD camcorder is capable of recording in 1080p resolution at 60 fps and a great starter camera. Another light and compact model, this handycam has a screen size of 2.7 inches and boasts of Wi-Fi connectivity and NFC that makes it compatible with smartphones. Consequently, sharing videos and files is possible. On top of these features, the PJ275 camcorder has a still camera resolution of 9.2 megapixels and an XMR-CMOS sensor. Footage can be captured with excellent quality even in low lighting conditions, and the steady shot image stabilization system prevents blurry images and videos. Optical zoom is 27 times and the lens is a wide-angle Carl's Zeiss brand. Coming in number 3. Sony HDR-CX405. For video enthusiasts looking for a compact and affordable video camera, this model tops the list. The CX405 boasts of ease of use and handling because of its easy controls and size. It is designed with an LCD viewfinder with a diagonal size of 2.7 inches. Instead of the standard touchscreen display, this camcorder uses buttons. The image processor is Bian's X while the sensor is XMR-CMOS. This camcorder is capable of recording video at 1080p resolution at 60 fps and a camera resolution of 9.2 megapixels. Although the CX240 lacks built-in memory storage, it has a memory card slot. Battery life under normal usage lasts up to 2.2 hours, while continuous recording can reach up to 1.1 hours until the next recharging of the battery. Coming in number 2. Panasonic HC-V770. If there is one unique and appealing feature of this HD camcorder, it is the dial for manual focus. As for still camera resolution, the HC-V770 is at 24 megapixels, making it much better than camera phones, while video recording is in 1080p resolution at 60 fps. Other features include 5.1 channel, the built-in microphone that results in more natural-sounding audio, image stabilization system, intelligent focus mode, and Wi-Fi as well as NFC connectivity. For display, it has a 3-inch touchscreen LCD. Moreover, it is a twin recording HD camera, that is, it has an extra feature, a sub-camera that allows users to shoot at various angles. Coming in number 1. Canon VIXIA HF R800. This compact Full HD camcorder is lightweight at just a little over 10 ounces even with its battery pack. Designed with an intelligent auto system, the R800 boasts of a face detection feature that does the focusing and picking the perfect setting for the user. It also has a 3-inch touchscreen LCD display and is capable of shooting in 1080p HD video at 60 fps. Wi-Fi connectivity is available, and this handycam is compatible with the smartphone app that lets the user operate the device remotely. Other features include a battery life of 1.5 hours for continuous recording and integrated storage of 32 GB.